The MIG and the TIG welding is a popular type of welding that use a wire, accelerator, an electrode, and a shielding gas to create a strong bond between two pieces of metal. If you are a beginner, MIG welding can be a great place to start. It's usually considered to be one of the easiest type of welding to learn. Here were some easy MIG welding projects for beginners. Welding craft is a great beginner project because it's relatively simple to make and can be customized to fit your specific needs. A garden rails is a functional and decorative pieces that can be made from simple metal rods and welded together. A metal sculpture can be made from variety of metal pieces and can be simple and complex as you like. A coat rack can be made from metal rods or the flat material strips welded together to create a hook. A metal toolbox can be a challenging project for a beginner, but it's a practical and a useful item that you can use for years to come. Welding MIG welding is considered to be one of the easiest type of welding to learn and making it a great choice for beginners. MIG welding Chinese are relatively inexpensive and making it an affordable for just to starting it. Welding can be laid to weld a variety of metal including mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. MIG welding creates strong and durable weld that can withstand with a lot of stress and the weight. Welding allows you to create functional and decorative items that can be customized and the specific needs and the uses. The MIG welding is the type of welding arc welding that uses consumable wire, electrodes, and the shielding gas to protect the weld from contamination. The wire electrode is fed through a spool and into a weld spool where it's melt and fused with the base metal. And the shielding gas, typically the mix of argon and the carbon dioxide, help to prevent contamination from the surroundings of the ears. One of the best benefit of MIG welding is that it's relatively easy to learn, making it a great choice for beginner compared to the other type of welding such as TIG or the stick welding. MIG welding require less skill and the experience and the expense to produce high quality weld. This means that beginner can quickly get started with MIG welding and start producing project in relatively short amount of time. Another benefit of MIG welding, its cost effective option for those just starting out. While the cost of the MIG welding machine is very dependent upon the model and the feature, it's generally considered to be less expensive than other welding equipment. Additionally, the welding wire and the shield gas can be purchased at relatively at low cost, making it an affordable option for those in between the budget. MIG welding is also a versatile process that can be used to weld a variety of metal. While it's commonly used to weld mild steel, welding can also be used to weld stainless steel, aluminum, and the other metals. This versatility and the versatile option make it a valuable skill to have for a range of projects and the application. In terms of the strength to the weld proceed by MIG welding, they are generally considered to be strong and durable. This is because MIG welding proceed a deep and depending weld that can withstand and a lot of stress and the strains. With proper technique and the advancement, MIG welding can produce a weld that are strong those procedure by the other type of welding. MIG welding provide to create a outlet for beginner and the experienced welder alike. With MIG welding, you can create a functional and decorative items that are customized to your specific taste and needs, from welding guards to garden trestles to a metal sculptures. The possibilities are endless with practice and the experience. You can develop your skill and produce a beautiful, complex, and impressive and the inexpensive projects. The welding is a highly accessible and the versatile from the welding that is great choice for beginner. It's commonly used in both industrial and the home setting to join metal pieces together. Welding is relatively simple process to learn, which is one of the reasons why it's popular choice for beginner. With some basic instruction and the practice, it's possible to create strong and the reliable weld. The simplicity of MIG welding also means that the equipment need is relatively straightforward, which can be helpful for beginners who don't want to invest too much money into their new hobby. Another advantage of MIG welding is that it cost-effective welding option. MIG welding machines are typically less expensive than the other machines. The MIG welding wire and the shield, and this can be beneficial for beginners who are start to their hobby and in a tight budget, or don't want to invest too much money into a hobby they are just starting. One of the most significant benefit of MIG welding is versatility. It can be used to weld a variety of metal, including mid steel, stainless steel. The versatility is endless to make it useful steel for a range of projects and the applications. The ability to work with the different metal and also expand the possibility of creativity project allow you to offer more diverse and interesting fits. MIG welding projects strong and accurate and durable welding that can withstand a lot of stress and strain. This is an excellent choice for welding application where the finished product need to be sturdy and reliable. The deep and the penetrating welding procedure by MIG welding create a strong bond between the metal pieces being joined and resulting in a finished product that can be very interesting. MIG welding provide a creative outlet for the beginner and the experienced welder alike. It allow you to create a functional and the decorative item that are customized to a specific purpose. Welding cards, welding drills, metal sculpture, coat rack, and just a few examples. And the possibilities are endless, and you can create using MIG welding techniques. It's not limited only by the welder. It's depend upon your imagination and how to get started. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching our channel. Thank you so much. To maximize the potential for your welding project and add ideas to sell like a hot cake, it's essential to promote your work effectively. Utilize social media platforms, craft fairs, and the online marketplace to showcase your creation and reach your potential buyers. In this video, we are going to show you some amazing welding project for a beginner that will inspire you and that will tell you how to reduce your carbon footprints, building a strong online presence and engaging with a potential customer through captivating photographs, informative description, and the regular update will establish your brand and attract your buyers. By embarking on welding project and art ideas from scratch, you can tap into a market that appreciate craftsmanship and the uniqueness, metal wall art, custom furniture, garden sculptures, jewelry, personalized signage, or the home decor item are just a few examples of projects that have the potential to sell exceptionally well. Remember to stay true to your creative vision, adapt to the market trends, and effectively promote your work with a dedication, skills, and a touch of entrepreneurial spirit. Your welding creation can become a hot cake in the market, and you will be able to earn a handsome amount of money. Passion for outdoor spaces, welding garden sculpture, decorative element can be a successful niches. Sculpture of animals, flowers, and the abstract shapes can enhance the visual appeal of a garden, patio, and even a public spaces. Experimenting with the different metals such as copper, stainless steel, you can add a unique touch to your creation. Additionally, consider crafting functional items like planters, trestles, or a fire pit to cater to the wide range of potential buyers. Beyond the aforementioned project, custom signage of the personalized home decor item are in high demand. Welding metal sign with the codes, house numbers, family names can add a personal touch to any space. Additionally, creating a custom fireplace, candle holder, or a wine rack can cater to the specific interior design preferences, make them a highly desirable. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video, and keep watching for interesting videos. Thank you so much. Here we are back again. Thanks for being here and do subscribe our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some welding projects for beginner, scrap metal arts, upcycle metal, and metal do-it-by-yourself decoration projects. So let's get started. Welding is a fascinating and rewarding skill to learn. Not only does it give you an ability to repair and modify metal objects, but it also opens up a world of creative possibilities, from scrap metal art to upcycling metal for do-it-by-yourself decoration item. There are endless welding projects for beginners to explore. In this video, we will explore some beginner-friendly welding projects that are perfect for those just starting out in the world of welding. If you are looking to add some personality and charm to your garden, welded garden art
is an excellent beginner welding project. Start by gathering some scrap metal piece of varying size and the shapes. These could be the old tool, machine part, or even discarded metal furniture. Decide on the design you want to create. For example, you could make a metal flower or a birdhouse or whimsical garden sculpture. Once you have your design in mind, use a welder to join the pieces of scrap metal together. Welding garden art is an excellent project for a beginner because it allows you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something fun and unique. The bookends are practical and stylish addition to any bookshelves. However, instead of buying bookend from a store, why not make your own using upcycled metal? For this project, you will need two pieces of metal that are roughly the same size and the shapes. These could be the old metal sign, license plate, or even piece of scrap metal from an old car. Use a welder to join two pieces of metal together at 90-degree angle. Once you have welded a piece together, you can add any finishing touch such as painting or sanding to create a polished look. Metal wall art is a trendy and eye-catching way to add some personality to your home decor. To create your own metal wall, start by gathering a variety of scrap metal pieces. This could be anything from old bike chains to metal cutlery. Next, arrange the pieces of scrap metal into a design that appeals to you. For example, you could create a metal tree, a city skyline, or an abstract design. Once you have arranged the pieces of scrap metal, use a welder to join them together. Metal wall art is a great welding project for a beginner because it allows you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something that is both beautiful and functional. Metal planters are a stylish and practical addition to any home and the garden. To make your own metal planter, start by gathering some scrap metal pieces. These could be old metal buckets, pots, and even piece of scrap metal from your old car. Next, use a welder to join the pieces of scrap metal together to create a sturdy and durable planter. Once you have created your metal planter, you can add a finishing touch such as painting or sanding to create a polished look. Metal planters are an excellent welding project for a beginner because they allow you to experiment with different welding techniques while creating something that is both functional and beautiful. If you are looking for a unique and personalized piece of jewelry, why not make your own using metal? For this project, you will need some scrap metal piece such as old silver or metal wire. Next, use a welder to join the pieces of scrap metal together to create your desired design. Once you have created your metal jewelry, you can add any finishes and touch such as polishing or adding stone or beads. Metal jewelry is a fun and rewarding welding project for beginner.